Hey guys, welcome back to the Lady M Beauty channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here. Today, I'm coming at you with my October Boxycharm unboxing. I have my box here. Yes, right here. It has arrived in the mail today, and I'm excited to dive deep, to open her up with you guys to let you know what's all in the box. So, if you're interested in seeing what all I got in this month's Boxycharm box, then guess what? Keep on watching. All right, guys. So we're about to unbox this box together. Like, I don't know. I got a big box. So I'm kind of confused because this is usually what my Luxe boxes look like. But this is not a Luxe box month and I don't have premium. So this is the base box and this is what the box is looking like. So I'm kind of excited. Maybe I got some goodies in here. Maybe I didn't get such goodies in here. So all right, so let's go ahead and just open up the box. Let me get my little doohickey here so that I can, ooh, that's not gonna work, honey. Yeah. Okay. Nope, that's not gonna work. I don't have my regular box box cutter here. Okay, that did the trick, my little tweezers. All right, so let's open up the box and let's see what we got. So this is definitely a base box because I got the little doohickey, my little card. And this says everyone will be under your spell. So I guess this is in celebration of October and Halloween, right? Because, you know, everybody's gonna be under your spell here. So yeah, this is what the insert looks like, and you can just kind of see there what we're working with. All right, so I thought it was a big box, but it really isn't. So let me just grab the first item that I see here. So this is from the brand. So before we get into the box, my bad, let me back up. All right. So again, this is the Boxycharm Base Box for the month of October. I have all the details about Boxycharm located in the description box down below. So be sure to read the description box so you can find out about how many boxes there are, what are the costs for subscriptions. All the deets is going to be listed right there in the description box, as well as I will have the value of this box right here on the screen. So I will be letting you guys know what the total value of this box is. And then, yeah, without any further ado, let's dive in. So I already grabbed one product, and this is Fleur and B Eyes Baby. Okay. Anti-aging eye cream, anti-aging firming. It says nourishing 18 additives. I guess that's the word. Yeah. Yep. So that's the packaging right there. Doubt you can see, but it kind of is giving me Charlotte Tilbury vibe because it has this nice pink and then it has like this burgundy writing. So very Charlotte Tilbury-esque. So it has visible results. The rich eye cream will awaken your eye area by firming your skin and reducing the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. It has caffeine, aloe, sunflower oil, vitamin B3, algae, green tea, hyaluronic acid, dandelion, lavender oil, and some other stuff in here that I can't say. Wild geranium, vitamin E, saffron oil, glycerin, squalene. I mean, that's definitely nourishing if you ask me. It is cruelty-free, 100% vegan, sustainably made. And it's made without paraben, sulfates, artificial fragrances, and 1,300 other nasties. Interesting. Every purchase helps provide menstrual care and education to girls in need. Okay. Do you naturally. Okay, that's what's written right there. Don't know if you'll be able to see it, but so let me see what this looks like. Okay, never heard of this brand before. Ooh, this product retails for $26, and this is the packaging. It says Eyes Baby. It feels like it's glass. Okay, that's what we're working with right there, and you can kind of see the packaging. Yeah, it says a rich eye cream will awaken your eye area by helping to firm your skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. It says here, it's what's on the inside that matters. This anti-aging cream is packed with vitamins, natural moisturizers, to treat the delicate skin around the eye. So of course I mentioned squalene, vitamin E, vitamin B3. It says create a buzz. Help us spread the word about our clean skincare products by writing a quick product review. You are a queen bee. Okay, interesting, not too shabby. So let's move on to the next product that's in here. And this is the Beauty Crop Stuck on You Base Eye Primer. So the Beauty Crop Stuck on You Eye Primer, this retails for $18. I've never heard of this brand before. It says this soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go much further. It locks in color, prevents pigment from creasing, smudging, or fading. This universal eye primer is buildable and slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigment really pops and is held in place throughout the day. This formula is enriched with pomegranate seed and grapeseed oil to help lids stay smooth and moisturized. Interesting. I don't know, how many of you guys use eyeshadow base primers? I don't really use eyeshadow primer. I find like my concealer does a good job. So I've never used them before. And the brand is called the Beauty Crop. So that's interesting. It says enriched with coconut oil, coconut, pomegranate, and pomegranate seed oil. Okay, next product. Let me see. This is Toy Factory. Toy Co is written on the box. This is Toy Factory Super Set. I guess it's hyaluronic acid setting spray. Can we see it? Can we see it? Can we see it right there? It's nice and pink, and I love the green that's going on in here. So this is a new launch. So this is Toy Factory Super Set Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Your serum and setting spray are now one. And that look you just created is about to last all day, all night, featuring hyaluronic acid to lock in your color payoff while coating your skin with a misty serum expertly formulated for all-day hydration and a dewy, soft, professional look. This retails for $24. It has an expiration date on here and a manufacturing date, so that's pretty good. This is vegan and it says cruelty-free on the box. It's simple because we automated it. So again, how to use closed eyes and spray on top of your full glam, going naked. Use Super Set as a lightweight toner. So you can use this without makeup and with makeup. Okay, this is probably interesting. So probably worth a try. Yes. All right. So the next product I have in here is Luxe Beauty. I don't really know how you say it. Luxe. So this is their Lucette highlighter palette. This retails for $26. Okay, let's take a look. Let's open her up. And it says radiate your light out of the world and lucate beautifully with this highlighter palette that will help you achieve a lit from within glow. Vitamin E and Mexican blue agave deliver a unique softness as you layer on each shimmering shade to create the most illuminated look. Now I am here for this blue. Packaging kind of matches my eyes, right? So love the blue. And it says Lucate Shimmer. Oh wow, this looks like it is dark skin friendly with these kinds of colors in here. This looks like a copper. This looks like a nice bronze. This is probably like a really, really gold. And then we have another color here. So yeah, definitely looks dark skin friendly. Nice. Yeah. I'm here for it. I said this retails for $26. So interesting. Never heard of this brand before. Have you guys heard of this brand before? I swear Boxycharm be just bringing us all these new brands. Okay, and the last thing that I have in this box. So I got 5 full-size items. This is a doozy here. And this is the iconic London desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. This is in the iconic London, I don't know what you call this color, like a bronze color, rose gold kind of color. Yeah, rose gold is more like it. So, it says Des to Dance eyeshadow palette. This retails for $62. This is the perfect dance floor comparison. The dance floor companion, no matter where you're headed, featuring 20 new highly pigmented shades to suit every skin tone. It will leave you spoilt for choice. The velvety soft texture and selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters will make your eye look pop from day to night to day. Okay, so this is basically saying it's gonna last you for 24 hours. Okay, wow. It's definitely a day to night. It looks like there's only like 2 matte shades, maybe 3. Nope, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 matte shades. Everything else looks like satin, or like they have a little bit of shimmer to it. So let me show you what the palette is looking like. Can you guys see that? Yeah, there we go. So that's this shade though. Okay, this one on my skin, probably not it. So yeah, $62 is what this palette retails for. I do like the packaging. It's probably good for traveling, right? Oh, let me put this insert back on here. Nice, not too shabby. Definitely not my cup of tea, but thank you, Boxycharm. Okay, so we have basically went through and unboxed the entire October box. So now, what are my thoughts? Okay, Boxycharm, I don't know. I don't have any thoughts. Like, I'm like, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know why I have 2 makeup products. I got a highlighter and an eyeshadow palette. I got an eye cream and I got a setting spray. Like, that's everything in here. Am I missing something? Oh, and then I have the primer, the eyeshadow primer. So you kind of got everything here that's focused on eyes. You got a primer, you got an eye cream, highlighter, and then eyes. So you got face for the highlighter, you got a setting spray. So I would say they have a theme going on here, but I am not here for any of these products in here. Like, I don't know any of these brands. It's meh, okay? So I thought we were on a winning streak here, Boxycharm. What happened? Like, what happened? For real, for real. But I probably will try the setting spray because it can be used as like a toner. So that I will try. I don't really use highlighter, so I definitely think that's a pass for me. The eyeshadow is at best meh. Like, none of those shades is anything that I would use. So that's a pass for me. And the eye cream, I'm kind of like 50-50. So that's like 2. The eyeshadow primer, I don't really use eyeshadow primers. I don't really use eyeshadows that much anymore. And when I do use eyeshadows, I use my concealer. So at best, yeah, I have maybe 50-50 on the eye cream. Definitely will try the setting spray because I could use it as a toner as well. So yeah, that's 2 out of 5. No, thank you. So definitely not happy with this box, but hey, I will say I have gotten pretty good boxes in the past. The last 2 boxes were bomb. And then here we are, October, and it's a nah for me. So yeah, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on your box. If you subscribe to Boxycharm, what was your favorite product from your October box? Are your boxes any similar to mine? Did we get the same things? Let me know. What did you get in your box? How you feel about it? Is it meh or is it the bomb? All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Would love to have you as part of the Lady M fam, and then turn on your notification bells because you don't want to miss these uploads. All right, that's it for today's video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.